Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and this is coming a bit late. It's Hamster Cipher code, and yesterday the code was FOMO, and as we know, this code will run for 24 hours till 8 p.m. today, which is 26th day of June 2024. So let me show you today's hamster code from my WhatsApp group. Okay, so today we are spelling FOMO, 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 fear of missing out. So as usual, we are going to use this chart to spell it. So what we do is we click here to turn on the daily cipher on. Okay, as you have turned it on, so when you want to tap the number, you can be tapping any of this side, or you can even tap on the mouse itself, no problem. Hamster himself. Okay, so let's go. The first letter is letter F. Letter F, and letter F is spelled as dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot 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 dash dot. So we tap our phone 2 times, hold, then tap. Okay, so let's do that. Dot dot dash dot. Okay, letter F has been found, so we'll go to letter O. Letter O is spelled as dash dash dash. So you hold and release, you hold and release, then you hold and release 3 times, and within a space of 9 seconds, hold and release, hold and release, hold and release. You have to be fast about that. Okay, so we do that. We hold, release, we hold, release, we hold, release. Letter O spelled. So the next letter is letter M. Letter M is spelled as dash 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 2 times. A short form of we hold and release, you hold and release. So let's do that. Now I've made a mistake. Okay, dot dot dash dot, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, back to letter M. Hold, release, hold, release. Okay, so the last letter is letter O. We do what we did before. Dash 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 dash. You hold, you release, you hold, you release, you hold, you release. Okay, so let's do that. Dash dash dash. Okay, so that is it. And as you can see, once you make a mistake, you go over and start all over again. So the next thing is you take your price and then you move on. So that is that for today. We'll see you back again tomorrow or this evening for the new hamster code. Please like, subscribe and share. Turn on the bell notification so that once I do a video like this, you will get notification and you come and watch it immediately. See you on the next one. Bye bye.